Wisconsin weather, you just never know what to expect. Like, never know what to expect at all. But we out here, y'all. What's y'all? I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't already, make sure you watch my other vlogs. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, guys. Yeah, Diddy having the time of his life. Yo, these kids could bounce on this thing like all day. All day, all day. Yo, they got a Ferris wheel. I don't know if y'all can see it. They got a Ferris wheel. Dude, it's just for cars. This park is like y'all, they about to go down this big slide. Being oh so brave. It's a slide and it's a tunnel. Let's go! On your marks, get set, go! Whee! You're so brave, Zach. Oh! Whee!
How you feel?
I'm going down this street.
There go Jake Jizzle. Whee! You beat the bracelet. Good job. Are you guys going again? Are you okay? Yikes! Was it bumpy?
Yeah.
This has a whole different area. JD is on this other spot. They have a whole. This pumpkin farm is like really big. They have so much stuff over here. Hey y'all. I'm just out here. I am here. I am here. Y'all, my son is having the time of his life with his friends. I'm just here. Mommy duties. Gotta love it. Lead the way. Hey, go JJ. Go JJ. Woo.
This is a cobweb. He says she's gonna play Find the Spider.
Find the spider?
Yeah, when we take it, eat it.
Yikes.
Guys, I'm just standing here until the last person sees here, and then me. Oh. Guys, I'm not gonna get hit. And every drop, this will get knocked down. Samson, I'm playing Catch the Spider. I need that.
You need that. Are you gonna ride those horses? Using the bathroom.
Where?
I told you to come on. Look at, they got sweets. They have everything. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I did that,
You don't even know what that is.
it was like a
That's so cool. Can I take your picture on this car? Yo, it's them not playing this game correctly for me. My perfectionist is like, yo. Yeah. Nice try, Isaiah. Whoa. Alright, here he goes, guys. He's going again. He is so brave. Go, JJ, go, JJ, go. There we go. The kid is brave. And he's a cheater. Now you gotta jump. Now you gotta jump. Don't hurt yourself. Go, Samson. And you're tall. Careful, don't fall. Yikes, you're hanging on by a thread. Roll down. Chicken. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Isaiah, show us how you go down. Go down, Isaiah. Show him how it's done. And wee. Good job. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm a little bit dizzy.
Good job, son. High five. High five. You gonna leave me hanging? Get wop wop wop.
Nurse, let's actually stairs. There.
Go.
There's stairs to here.
You started milking it.
He be talking stuff, so I gotta give it back to him. Right? Tough love. Look at you proving me wrong. Good job. You can do it! Go JJ, go JJ, go! Go JJ, go JJ, go! I am literally your biggest fan. Good job. Stand up so I can take your picture.
Hi, you're very late.
They got so much stuff out there. That's so cool. So cool. I've been screaming. We are back in the car. We are done at the pumpkin farm. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That is all that matters. As long as you had fun, that is good. My job is done. It was actually a really big pumpkin farm. It had a lot of stuff. This pumpkin farm is Stade's Farm and Market. It's a pumpkin farm in McHenry County, Wisconsin. No, McHenry is actually Illinois, not Wisconsin. I live in Wisconsin. Okay, yeah. So this pumpkin farm is Stade's Farm Market, and it's a pumpkin farm in McHenry, Illinois. It's in the county, kind of, sort of. It's really nice. It's big. The kids had a ball. JJ was having the time of his life, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something. One more key. Yeah.
But yeah, it was so much stuff to do out there. I think it was some stuff we didn't even get to do. Like they had hay rides, they had a corn maze, they had all type of stuff. They had a little train driving through the thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you guys like this vlog, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And we will see you guys later. Bye guys.